In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify recovery code, an essential part of ensuring the safety and security of your online store. If you're managing a Shopify store, it's crucial to have your recovery code at hand, as it acts as a safety net for accessing your account should you encounter any issues. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Upon logging in, you should land on the main dashboard referred to as My Store or the Home section. This is basically your control hub where you can manage everything related to your Shopify store. So once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to click on the My Store link. This will take you to a detailed overview of your store setup and settings. It's a vital space where you can make sure everything is configured the way you want and ready to serve your customer needs. After you've entered the store settings, it's time to go into your personal account settings by clicking on the email option. This might seem like a small step, but it's necessary for redirecting us to the right account settings where we'll do the heavy lifting. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the Security tab. It's here where we manage all the security aspects of your Shopify account. The Security tab is especially important for ensuring that your store remains protected against unauthorized access. Once inside the security section, you'll notice various options highlighted. One of these options will refer to the two-step authentication or security settings. Clicking on this highlight will bring you to a deeper level of your security setup. Now you'll see the option to turn on two-step authentication. By activating this, you'll be adding an extra layer of security to your account. This is highly recommended to safeguard against any unauthorized access. Once you have turned on two-step authentication, click on the Next button to continue with the setup. This step is crucial to ensure that all changes you've made are confirmed and saved. Finally, you'll receive your recovery code. Make sure to store this code safely. It is your safeguard, a backup to access your store if you ever get locked out. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully located and secured your Shopify recovery code. Remember, managing your store's security is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that can protect all your hard work and customer trust. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to reach out if you encounter any difficulties or need further clarification.